Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's vlog, we are going to do another unboxing of another Mini GT model. And for today's unboxing, we are going to feature HKS Toyota GR Supra Nocturnal. I recently received this model, which was released for pre-order by Mini GT last February 2. So I was able to have this model recently. And before we proceed, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and press the bell button for notifications so you can be updated with our latest unboxing or addition to our collection. So let's proceed. So this model is covered in a thin plastic cover, and you can easily remove the plastic, and you can easily see that this is made with black painting and red rims. And this is the series 226 or casting 226 by Mini GT. And as you can see, it has a warning and age limit, which is suitable for age 14 and up children. Okay, so at the back, this is item number MGT 000226, and this is a left hand drive version, plus this holographic sticker, TSM model. Okay, let's proceed. As we open, it is covered with another plastic for protection. As you can see, the model is safe from any damage if ever you drop this box when moving, or delivered to you, or someone passed this through as a gift. So let's try to check this recent model we have. And also, before I forget, be careful not to remove the item from the plastic box, as this might be made of plastic or thin metal. So better remove this one from the side, like the fenders. So this is now the model, and as you can see, somewhat kind of metallic painting of black, and this red or matte red painting on these mugs or rims, and the wheels are movable, and it turns all of them. So it is made of rubber, and let's check. As you will notice, at the bottom you can see the metal part covering, and then wheels are somewhat bigger on the rear portion of the car. See, a bit bigger, so most probably 19 up front or 20 on the rear. On the side, you can easily read the decals of the car: Advan, Bride, Endless, and HKS. Then the side skirts also have this Advan Racing GT. You can easily read them. Then the fenders are somewhat smooth, curves are well made, and then as you can see, this fender wings or canards is having a carbon like painting or design. Rear fenders or canards, I mean wings or canards. And then the side view mirror, side mirrors is made with rubber. See, it's movable, but be careful not to hold from it as it may snap. As you can see closely, fenders, you can see the bolting on the front wheels, front fenders. Up front, headlight is well placed. Somewhat noticeable is the design for the DRL or daytime running lights, and then the Toyota logo is noticeable, and then hood is somewhat metallic painting, and the bumpers, these grills are noticeable. See, yes, a bit of plastic on grills. Then this front lip is somewhat connected to the body, so there's no plastic attached to it. Okay, on the side, same from the left side, you can see the decals of Advan, Bride, Endless, and HKS along with the side skirts. And then as we see closely, this portion might be the gas tank, and then the fender wings or canards. It's a great design of this model. And you can see what's from the inside. And then, by the way, this is the left hand drive version of the model. On the way to the back, you can see the rear bumper splitter, the exhaust, and let me see, the HKS Endless, Hypermax decals. Then the rear light is somewhat looking as LED also. And then the spoilers are connected to the rear bumper, somewhat made with plastic, so be careful not to drop this one, it might easily snap and it's hard to return to its original position. And the design is also something like made of carbon, and it's well made. See, also from the back you can notice some bolts for the body kits. Then the roof have designs for aerodynamics. So this is a really well done model. So that's it guys, another collection, the HKS Toyota GR Supra Nocturnal version, an addition to our collection. See, we're going to place it on display again. So that's it guys, another collection, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to collect it also, and have reservations from your nearest distributor, and add it into your collection. Thanks for watching guys.